Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide or show your bookmark in Chrome browser. So let's see. Right here from my Chrome browser right here, you can see my bookmarks are here. So if I want to hide it or I want to show it, what I need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here, and this is going to pump up, come straight down to settings, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the sidebar right here, go to appearance, it take you right here. Now you have show bookmark button enabled. What you need to do is to simply disable the button. Once you disable, you see that the bookmark is going to hide. So by the time I enable it back, the bookmark is going to show. Or if I disable it again, it hide. On it again, it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to show or hide your bookmark in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.